Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a fall clean and decorate with me in the family room. I've already done most of my fall decorating around the fireplace and the two cabinets on the side of the fireplace. So if you guys have not watched that video, go ahead and check that out. So what we're going to do is bring some of the fall decor into the actual family room. I have some fall pillows and a couple of other fall pieces that I want to add in here to just make it all come together. So if you guys are ready to hop into this video, let's get to it.
Do it again, do it again, do it again, and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again.
Okay, somebody please tell me, how do you go from a square pillow to a rectangle pillow? It's just so weird to me. These are feathered down pillows and the actual feathers are coming through the pillows itself. It is so weird. I've never had that happen before. Now I'm definitely going to have to figure out how to keep those feathers from poking out of those pillows, because those pillows are my favorite pillow. I love that silver gray color on those pillow covers. Show you guys these stems that I bought, and in Home Goods they look so creamy, but when I got them home under my own light, they were actually a little bit more yellow than I wanted. You can see it right there. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with them because they've been sitting so long I can't even take them back now.
Time to sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Didn't know what's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Didn't know what's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Didn't know what's no more, no.
So of course, you guys know I already got my pillow covers. I got them from Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description box for those of you who are interested in those pillows. I thought they were so cute because I just needed a pop of the orange color to go with everything else that I have around the downstairs area. I definitely did not want to buy any more actual pillows because I have enough pillows. I'm pretty sure we all have enough pillows. So the only way I'm going to change the look of my pillows is to buy pillow covers. That was my oath to myself.
Toes, baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now no it's no more. I got so high on so low. That's when I love you the most. So I thought I should let you know. No it's no more. No it's no more. No it's no more. No it's no more. No it's no more.
The pillow covers did come in a set of 4, but I only needed 3 pillow covers. So what I ended up doing with that 4th one is putting it into our bedroom, and you guys will see that in a video coming up soon. So make sure you stay tuned to watch that. But everything actually turned out so cute. I love that I use these colors because I normally do not want to use orange colors for the fall, but it actually turned out really nice. So you guys already know my relationship with this hay. It is messy, but it is the cutest thing for fall. So I ended up taking it apart in that little basket, and of course I made a mess, but it's okay. Wanted to keep all the fall decor in the family room area to a minimum because this is where we are 95% of the time. So we already kind of get it messy in here, but I think I'm doing a good job of keeping it down to a minimum, but still making sure that it gives you a fall feel when you walk into our house. So if you guys are interested in more fall videos, check them out over here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.